Whoa, 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 whoa. Guess what? I'm driving and talking. All the world leaders are coming to the United States. It's like the revelation of the Bible said, you can't buy and you can't sell. And all these leaders are coming to listen to the President of the United States, telling them that they can't buy and they cannot sell. So United States got to be heaven. I said it in past program. And the President of the United States have to be God. Very simple. Why the world leaders have to gather together in the United States? They have a country to take care of. But think about it. Why would they gather to the United States to listen to the president telling them what to do? He got to be God. Is he the God of the Bible? Because he put sanction on all the nations. So they cannot buy and they cannot sell. Huh? And the Bible said it become a time when no man will buy you or sell you. Huh? So now, United States got to be heaven, and that's why everybody want to come to the United States. Follow me? So now, what we gonna do as black people? Because black people doesn't have any words in world affair. Their words mean nothing. They're not making any laws and any rules about world affairs. And if they do make rule in their countries, it have been maybe made up by the white man. So now we're going to be in a great tribulation coming up for the black man. Yes, we're going to have a great tribulation coming up for the black man. Because he's not thinking really about what the white man is doing. He gone off into silliness. And once the black man remain in silliness, the white man know that. So the white man can do anything with him in the meantime. Take his gold, take his diamond, take his land, take the oil resource, and also take his food, if you do have some food. And that's the dilemma we are in. Then you talk about the white man is a blue-eyed devil. Do you remember those people that said the white man is a blue-eyed devil? And they let their sons and daughters marry the blue-eyed man sons and daughters. But remember, in their speech, he's a blue-eyed devil. If I think the woman is a blue-eyed devil, I'm not going to let my sons and daughters marry him. No way. No way, no way, no way. But most black men want to play Santa Claus, and that's what's happening. Are they trying to fool the mind of the rest of black men that cannot comprehend too great? Because we're not waking up. Look, they're gathering up all the leaders of the United States government to hold a conference. What do you think they're planning to do? Army general, Navy general, they're getting together for a speech. What are they going to talk about? Huh? Are they going to talk about World War III? Planning? What do you think? So they will be having a big conference next week about what they're planning to do. You know they have a plan for Russia. Hi, precious. Yes, as I was saying, everybody's is ganging up on Russia because the government of the United States said that Russia cannot win the war. There is no way Russia is going to win the war over their dead bodies. They will fight Russia until the last man in Ukraine dies. So they have a plan for Russia. But the people cannot see. They want to share up the land in some way or another, the Europeans. That's what they're after. So what they're doing is weakening Russia. They're weakening Russia just like what they did with Saddam Hussein. They keep on fighting Saddam Hussein until Saddam Hussein becomes so weak that they stepped in. And the same thing they're trying to do with Russia. And guess what's happened? Putin is afraid of NATO himself. Because what they did with Gaddafi, Putin didn't like that period. You know, they put the guns up in, you know what they do with Gaddafi. So Putin have that in the back of his mind. He don't want to get caught up in that manner. So would he use a nuclear weapon before we get caught up? Because he's talking about a lot of red line, red line, red line, red line. So now they're calling up all the generals and sergeants to have a conversation. What are they going to talk about? How to get in there and defeat Russia? Just think about it. Because the President of the United States gone wild. They're calling up all the leaders from all over the world. So that's why I said that United States is heaven and everybody want to go to heaven. You follow me? So what I'm saying, the black man got to wake up. He got to wake up and see what the white people are doing. Black man is not making no world decision. No, 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 no. They're not making a world decision. They're making little bit of decision in their country. But the white man make the world decision and tell the black man what to do. And that's what's going on. So you can go on with your Santa Claus playing or your hide and seek or whatever. But that's not the real thing. The real thing, the black man lost his sense of direction and he don't know where he's going. So he's stuck. And by he's stuck, he got a problem. So by he got a problem, he's stuck. So as I said, we gotta wake up, black people. If we don't wake up, we're gonna perish. Peace.